Assalamualaikum halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Kembali lagi di acara Icip-Icip Internasional. Kembali lagi di acara Restoran Open. Nah, kali ini pemirsa saya lagi masak ini ya. Buru-buru semua kompor ini nyala karena ini adalah request dari tim Hore-Hore mau masakan Indonesia. Mereka nggak tahu masakan Indonesia itu ternyata banyak sekali persiapannya segala. Jadi karena ini musim dingin, jadi karena ini musim dingin pemirsa, jadi harus masaknya dadakan. Pada nggak sabar lagi mereka nunggu, saya nggak bisa masak duluan kemudian disimpan, nggak bisa karena ini benar-benar harus dadakan banget ya, nggak ada yang instan pemirsa. Ini preparationnya udah dari tadi. Nah, ini adalah request mereka. Nah, kalau saya itu, kalau mertua saya itu suka sekali pemirsa namanya bihun. Jadi setiap kali saya masak itu harus ada bihun. Saya udah sampai terbosen-bosen bikin bihun. Sebenarnya menu-menu biasa aja sih yang biasanya selalu mereka request. Karena itu yang mereka sukanya. Oke, kalau gitu saya lanjutin dulu ya. Saya masak-masak. Restoran. Oh,
we're all hungry.
Oh, this is the chicken, is it?
You're very good help. Now, pass this round. The other side. You're all leaving it fast. Okay? Okay? Cute? Rice is on its way.
Yeah.
Really? How did you find that out?
It's, the doctors tell you that.
It is good. Broccoli's very good.
Yeah, I like broccoli so much. I almost eat it every day. Tomato is classed as a fruit.
Oh.
yes, that's right.
Is it tomato or tomato?
Tomato.
Where you come from, isn't it?
Tomato or tomato.
In America, it's tomato.
What in England?
So in the US they call it eggplant, here we call it aubergine. They call it truck, we call it lorry.
Yeah.
That's right.
They call it candy, we call it sweets.
I was at the checkout in America. And of course, I have to speak English, you know.
And what happened?
I have to speak English because it says I'm about tomato. And
Tomato.
I said, no, it's tomato.
Yeah.
Oh, say that again.
Oh.
No.
Oh, dear, sweetie. This is hot. Oh.
The chili, don't bite the chili.
I want the chili.
Wowza.
Is it chili?
It's proper spicy, that is though.
Chili, green chili. It's not proper.
Bird's eye chili.
Only green chili, daddy.
Bird's eye chili.
No, just normal when mommy bite with the pizza yesterday.
Oh.
That's it.
Yeah, but mummy's at normal. Okay.
Oh, can I have 5 please? Yum 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 yum.
Quick, mummy, before they're all gone.
Then mommy, everything alright?
Yes, thank you.
Good. Is it warm?
Yes.
Good. Okay. There is more chili here. Wow, chili down.
That's spicy.
Yes, that is spicy.
Oh, sweaty.
It's good for winter.
Well, yeah, that's true, yeah.
Is it spicy though? Right.
Spicy.
No dalas, spicy dar.
Just a little.
Trust me dar.
Nothing, nothing out the ordinary.
Daddy
That's
no.
quite nice.
Don't, serious. No, that is different one.
Oh, I can eat for England.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's got a, he's
Oh, just
can't
quick.
stop eating.
Can't stop
He had a
eating.
phase of didn't want to eat. No,
The
he can't
appetite's
stop.
Oh, back to normal.
The
Yeah,
appetite's
welcome back, Brian.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, you can just keep
Would
it.
anyone else like that?
No,
No,
thank you.
no,
Mum.
thank
Are you sure?
Oh dear.
Do you like them?
Is it hard, this noodle guy?
No.
No, soft, isn't it? Yeah, no, it's not. nice, that was. That was
All still warm.
spicy. Yeah, oh yeah, it's all nice and warm, yeah. It's nice when it's all hot.
So, our dessert today is cookies. Jadi pemirsa semua yang di rumah kemarin yang nggak kebagian, yang belum kebagian, yang kemarin mau pesan atau beli cookies Unileisure, sekarang sudah available ya, sudah ada stoknya. Atau bisa pre-order juga di Shopee dan Tokopedia. Tinggal klik aja nanti deskripsi, linknya ada di deskripsi box. Nama tokonya Unileisure Shop. Nah, hari ini kami juga menikmati cookies pemirsa. Anyway, which one do you like? The chocolate. Okay. How about you, Brenda?
Sorry, I was listening to Alice.
Okay. Oatmeal, original, or triple chocolate?
A chocolate, please.
How about you, Dallas?
Thank you.
Original. Dallas always original, and mommy also chocolate. Do you want it with the coffee?
Yeah.
Dallas, do you want it with the milk? And mommy with the hot chocolate.
No.
Chocolate.
No, can I have hot chocolate with it?
Chocolate also.
Alright, Brenda.
Oh, chocolate. And I mean, do you want to drink coffee or hot chocolate? Hot chocolate. Okay, that's it. Good.
It's this
How about you, Brian?
Hot chocolate, please.
Hot chocolate also.
You should never.
Oke dan jadi pemirsa dessert kami hari ini adalah cookies. Jadi cookies ini cocok dimakan dengan apa saja ya. Maksudnya makannya diminum dengan kopi, black coffee atau hot chocolate atau susu. Yang rasa original pasti enak dengan susu nih. Kalau saya sih dengan hot chocolate. Jangan sampai kehabisan kayak kemarin. Jadi segera buruan cepetan. Oke? Do you wanna ginger hot chocolate or just 17% hot chocolate?
70% milky.
I'll try ginger.
Do you want try
Two
ginger?
ginger, please.
Yes. It's gonna make warm really.
Alright, look.
Is it soft enough for
And
you
very big
guys?
in it.
No.
I've already tried these.
Very nice, Una.
Thank
I've already
you.
tried these and I really like them.
You really like the original one, do you?
Yeah, they're the best ones. It has so much chocolate in the middle.
Mommy like the chocolate one. You can
What's the other one?
oatmeal.
You can try.
Oatmeal. Yeah, you can try the original. Dallas love original so much.
Original is the best. Try
Is
it. Try original next. It's
Better than the chocolate.
Ooh,
Me, I like the chocolate so much.
way better.
Jadi pemirsa ini jenisnya cookiesnya soft ya, soft cookies jadi lembut di dalam, luarnya itu agak garing-garing soft coklat, soft cookies Unileisure. The original dal. Yes, mommy waiting for the hot chocolate. Daddy still make hot chocolate. Hot chocolate, hot chocolate, hot chocolate.
Some of it's going to be might be a bit too milky, I have to say.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Let's mommy see that.
Oh, chocolate inside.
Oh yes, a lot. That is original. Is that your favorite dal?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the triple chocolate. That's it. Triple chocolate.
Chocolate.
More chocolate than the chocolate company in there.
Hot chocolate. Hot
Three,
chocolate.
so like 3 inches deep as
Oh, thank
well.
you.
Oh.
Deeper
Right.
than that.
Do you wanna try the original or the odd? It's up to you which one. This is odd. This is original.
Original, please.
Original.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a spider on its toe. If you do, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. It will not be you. So this one's for you. This one's for Grandad.
Got there in the end.
No, I wanted that one. Danny.
The oatmeal you can eat for breakfast also.
Oh,
Yeah, this is
not.
Oatmeal.
Yes,
Oatmeal.
chocolate. Yeah.
Well, we always have our Quaker Oats.
Quacker nuts. Quacker nuts.
And the good thing, this soft cookies.
Soft
this
cookies.
is a natural ingredient, no preserve, no
No,
chemical.
nobody
Gross.
Yes.
All good healthy food.
That's homemade.
Not makes you fat.
Well, you could put that with your breakfast and it's out now.
Yes.
Sprinkles on your breakfast.
Yes, I could
Yes.
do, yeah.
Grandad.
No, I could do yours. I don't mind after.
Grandad.
Pass that one over to Dallas.
Put it on the end.
Thank you. Jadi pemirsa
Double.
dicocolin dengan hot chocolate. Ini enak sekali.
Don't they have chocolate?
Double.
We have
Di Donki. Nah, ini makannya dengan hot coklat, dengan triple coklat. Coklat di dalamnya ini membeku karena memang benar-benar dingin sekali di sini. Tadi juga turun snow, salju, tapi tetap lembut di dalam. Enak banget. Pokoknya jangan sampai ketinggalan.
ginger hot chocolate and the cookie. It was very good.
You and I, very nice. Chocolate and the cookie.
Do you recommend it to people to buy Unilever cookie?
Yeah,
100%.
100 billion percent.
Yes.
If that's a number.
Yeah.
But the highest number in the world because they're really, really chocolatey. Alright.
They don't know what they're missing if they don't have
And
it.
you like the original.
Yeah, that's the best one. Best one for sure. Them until that.
Dal your hot chocolate, Dal.
Yeah, I know. Right.
Jadi pemirsa, segitu aja video hari ini. Kami makan-makan karena kedinginan, jadi makannya makan bersama dan yang panas-panas yang pasti ya. Sambil minum hot chocolate. Oke, Sita, sampai ketemu. See you in Jakarta.
Yes, we'll be in Jakarta.
Bagi yang mau order cookies Unilever dan peanut sauce Dr. Colin juga, silahkan order dari sekarang, nanti pas di meet and greet-nya nanti dibawa. Dan kalau mau nyobain juga cookies Unilever, silahkan datang, nanti saya kasih.
I wishes everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh,
Oh,
thank
yes.
you.
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Merry
Okay.
Christmas. Yeah. Happy New Year.
Karena mungkin video hari ini video yang terakhir sebelum kami liburan ya, restoran open. Dan jangan lupa cookies,
Cookies, very
Unilever
nice.
cookies for your Christmas. Yes.
Don't forget your cookies.
Dan cookies.
Buy your
Always-
cookies now.
Cookies for happiness
Yeah.
and cookies for together, share with together with family.
Together, yeah.
Buy your cookies now. They're super yummy.
Thank you, Dad.
Buy them now.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Also buy them now.
Thank you, Dalasita.
And also another one, buy them.